Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Mazda 3, stock number 6052. This ran from 04/2009 to the 10th 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door some scratches. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory 6-stick stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.